Greetings and welcome to SmartWatch Ticks. We're a YouTube channel dedicated to all things smartwatches, and we're on the web at smartwatchticks.com. I got a really big bag here, and inside the bag I have an equally large black box. Folks, this box has been around the world. I mean, it really has. I don't often show you this, but here's the shipping documents that I track when this thing comes through. And the last point I'm showing you is departing Los Angeles, United States, on its way to me. But before it hit Los Angeles, it went through Cincinnati. Before Cincinnati, it was in New York City. That's pretty cool. But from New York, after checking in through Cincinnati internationally, it had departed from Germany. But wait! It got to Germany from Bahrain. And that, folks, is where this box from China originated. Folks, this is the Chiyoda. Chiyoda is a brand of exquisite watches. And what we have today is unlike anything I've shown you on the channel before. And it's available directly from Amazon. It's called the Chiyoda men's watch. It's got gold or silver with a map and eagle pattern etched on it. Yes, it's an analog watch. What makes it smart, well, is that they chose this channel for me to show it to you. Yeah, this is a regular analog watch, but it's a very high-end one, as you can tell from the price. A quick go-through of what is in this watch. Its model number is JS0191G. If you want to order this, it is available globally, which is partly why this is so exciting. This thing can be picked up from any country in the world, and as you see, it was shipped out literally from Bahrain. It's got a 24-karat metal stamp on it. It's a stainless steel case, leather band, brown with gold dial, 24-hour time display, of course, and it's using a Japanese quartz movement and water resistance down to 30 meters. Those are your overall specs, but this thing is not so much about technical as it is about beauty. Let's get into it. First of all, when we take it out of its container, wow, we look at, we've got a little tag in here for, wow, $674.10. Whew, man, we're in a whole different category here. Of course, it was discounted, you saw on Amazon. This is a superior presentation box. We open it up, which has like a whoosh of air feel to it, and we reveal the actual watch itself in the box with a bunch of paperwork coming with it. Let's take it out. I'm pointing this out to all the other watch manufacturers out there about how to look at packaging your watch so that it's a high-end device. It's got its own foam protecting cover thing or support unit in here. It's actually placed in a plastic bag, zipped, so it's protected from the elements. When we open this and bring it out, oh yeah, it's in there tight. Let's loosen it from the plastic. There we go, there we go. Now, there is a watch. Look at the embossing on that in 24-karat gold. It's also wrapped in plastic here, gold on the back. It even has the company name on the little dial right there, too. Wow. Wow. Well, there's no need to charge it up and turn it on. It runs on a battery internally. I guess we'll take this stuff off and then I'll put it on for you. Wow. This is really an exquisite watch. Nice, true leather band, integrated gold buckle to match. One knob on the side, pull it and twist it to set the time like a regular analog watch. Wow. Wow. Thank you guys. This is amazing. So if you're interested in this kind of a watch, it is definitely available. We have some paperwork that comes with it, including an 18-month warranty, 24/7 customer support, 100% satisfaction guarantee. Got email and a website for this. Chiyoda, living a beautiful life. Look at this. I've got a certificate in here, Certificate of Precious Metal Test. They've actually verified that this is 24 karat gold in the buckle and in the watch face itself. Amazing. And then I've got the instruction manual, and it's basically giving us some information how to get prepared, removing the plastic guard, water resistant to 3 atmosphere, okay? Don't use it when bathing or swimming or diving, and definitely don't mess with the button if it gets wet, okay? Don't use it underwater, but it should be able to handle splashing. There's your basic time setting. Pull out, turn, push it back in again. Here's the battery replacement. It's a 1 to 2 year, and when you need to replace it, there's the instructions, some basic caution and troubleshooting information. And then how to care for your watch. Okay, it's a high-end watch, so you definitely want to take care of it. The overall warranty information from Chiyoda, and some situations that are not covered by warranty. That's the instruction manual in English, packed with the watch in this amazing fine case. If you're looking for a great gift for somebody or for yourself, you want to have a true traditional analog watch that just is beyond measure, check this one out. Also, head over to the website. The links are in the show note down below. And look at their other products too. This is just one of many exquisite watches that they sell, as well as some other products. And thank you for sending this out. This is really quite an opportunity to have a watch like this that we're able to review for our viewers here. Internationally, hello China, hello India, hi Russia, hi Bahrain, hi England, all of you guys. You're always leaving comments. Thank you. And I hope you enjoy this one. We'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching.